Good day, Pinay Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Unboxing on the floor means unboxing a big package. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a big consolidated package from Buy and Ship, and this should consolidate three things. One would be our holes from the Oxit, last Spider-Verse Brick Break, and first Smash and Destroy Brick Break. Okay, so I remember they overlapped 1 week. So we're able to get, I think, 2 Spider-Verse and 4 Smash boosters, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And then the second item should be our purchase from Game Nerds. Okay. And then the last item would be our purchase from WizKids store. Okay. So long delayed shipping of items for this particular unboxing. Okay. And sometimes the delay is caused by multiple factors, obviously, but sometimes I would wait for more packages to be consolidated before I consolidate them. Because consolidation means you don't want to consolidate just one single item unless, for example, it's a brick that you're consolidating. Okay, so usually you consolidate multiple items, so you have to wait for others to arrive and be patient with your Heroclix products. Okay? But I finally am able to get some of my consolidated items. Okay. I'm particularly excited with Smash and Destroy because this is the first time I'm getting my fix of Smash and Destroy, and you can see the items here. Ooh. So I'll put the box on the side for now. Okay. And pull them up randomly, starting with this is from Game Nerds. We have the X-Men first appearance Iconics. Okay, so WizKids sent us this one, but I actually pre-ordered one because I'm a huge X-Men fan, so I need to have one of this. So this is going to my collection, X-Men. Okay, and including in that purchase actually is a booster, is a couple of boosters from Smash and Destroy, sealed. Okay, I part of the pre-order. Okay, so but I ordered it together with the X-Men first appearance. So we'll probably unbox this on a separate video. So for now, they go on the side. Okay, so we have here Cap's Cookie Quartet. This is the one we purchased directly from WizKids store. Okay, can't wait to use this one, especially the team up of Captain America because of what you call this, the past becoming Avengers. Okay, let's put all the holes here. Okay, including in that WizKids is the Cupid Deadpool Iconics. Okay, so this was the release date of the Cookie Quartet, I think, is later, so that's why this was delayed together with Cap's Cookie Quartet. A separate video will be in order for this, but can't wait to play Cappy Cut and the Trick Arrows. And since we did a WizKids purchase, we have freebies. We have Bigfoot. I think this is our second Bigfoot. And then we have Krampus. Okay, so this is Christmas clicks. Okay, we want to collect all Christmas clicks related figures. So this adds to our collection. We'll unbox that in a separate video. And then the rest here are boosters from the Oxit Brick Break. As I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 for Smash and Destroy, and then 2 boosters. Oops, sorry, for the Spider-Verse. Okay, sorry for that. The tripod fell down. Okay, so but we'll look at our holes for the boosters. We've been not so lucky for the Spider-Verse and Smash and Destroy so far. We haven't pulled any chase, but we did pull some super rares. I think for Spider-Verse, we should have, if I'm not mistaken, a super rare. Let's see. We have here Red Symbiote, Scarlet Spider, Iceman. Okay, oh, rare. We have the rare Morlun and Spider-Man. Okay, so as I said, not so lucky with the Spider-Verse. Okay, but it's fine. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. That's the thing about breaks and auctions. Okay, so I'm reserving all my luck in the X-Men set. Then we have here, oh, Inner Demon. We have the, oh, a Spider-Bot, I want it. We have Martin Lee, Black Symbiote, there. Okay, so we have the super rare Hypno Hustler. Okay, and yeah, so probably a separate video for him. So we pulled the super rare at least for this one. Spider-Bot, always a good thing. Oops, where's the Hypno Hustler card? Okay, so here's the Hypno Hustler card. Okay, 60 points, perplex. I think the main thing is you can generate multiple perplex figures, so that can be very handy, especially if you're facing against semi-tentpole teams and tentpole teams. But let's go ahead and look at our Smash and Destroy boosters. Okay, we have Valkyrie, Valkyrior. Okay, we have this Damage Control, Hazmat, Excavator, and Debris. See, we're not so lucky. We get Debris, and she doesn't come with a terrain marker. That's unfortunate. Okay, Debris as our rare. Let's go ahead for the second booster. We have, but I think we pulled something nice here. Let's find out together. We have Los Diablos. Oh, we have Absorbing Man, and yeah, so this is our main pool, the Destroyer Prime. Okay, so we like that. We like Absorbing Man. We also have Captain America and Hawkeye. Okay, and we have Heimdall Sight and You Wouldn't Like Me When I'm Angry one shot. Okay, so not bad actually. And I don't think I have that green Absorbing Man. Okay, I'm hoping to collect all the Absorbing Man in the set. And we get, let's see, Valkyrior again, Rare Arcade, Craven, Hawkeye, and Captain America. Okay, so yeah, I always get Arcade in breaks. So the streak continues for Arcade. Finally, the last booster for Smash and Destroy from Oxit. We have Speedball, Black Ant, Tori. Oh, oops. We have, at least we have a terrain. We have this terrain. Okay, car. We have, who's this? Taskmaster, Shield, and we have Steve Rogers. Okay, Taskmaster is okay. C is okay. Yeah, so I think he's the most sought after Taskmaster. So not too bad, including the terrain figure. Okay, so that's it. That's my full. Been a while, so large consolidation. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and bye bye.